And the pork skewers too.
How much? So this is some of the dessert here.
Garlic rice.
So, Brandon, what can you say about the Ligia's Lechon in the Philippines?
I'm excited.
Excited?
Very excited.
Okay, let's try. Let's
Very.
have a look for the best lechon in Manila.
Yeah.
Right here. Oh, water only, just mineral. Yeah. So before, this restaurant is just like a very small one, but in the past couple of decades, the improve and the level up the restaurant, and now this is the oldest pioneer brands. They already branch out in the different area in Metro Manila. Yeah. So
Excited about this. I've been waiting a long time.
yeah. This is our waiter. Sir, what's your name, sir?
My name is Edmund Thomas.
What?
Edmund.
Edman. Nice to meet you, sir Edman.
Oh, yeah. I'm getting a picture of this.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god.
Napapa,
That
oh
is
my
so
God.
much better than the videos.
Oh, really?
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
No, that is unbelievable.
Oh, really?
My soul is happy.
Okay. Enjoy your lechon.
Oh, that is insane.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. And we have barbecue, and then lechon sisig, beef michado. Come on. Oh, dinuguan. This is Philippine style, How can you say that in English? I don't know how do you say it. Dinuguan,
I don't know.
It's a blood and internal intestine of pig. Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
So
We need.
go ahead. No.
We need pork tongue.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I will get. Where is that? Are you? Oh, okay. It's coming. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay. So there's gravies.
Sir, our lechon sauce.
The gravies for lechon. So dinuguan,
Oh my god.
lechon sisig, barbecue. This one is also, I don't know how do you call this one. Wow. So enjoy the lunch. So yan muna mga paps, kain muna kami, ha? Thank you so much. So how's the taste with the gravies?
These are so much better in person.
Yeah.
Take videos.
Yeah. So, yan mga kagurago ng aking mga kaibigan. Kumakain ng lechon. Na-amaze sa lechon si Brandon dahil first time niyang kumain ng lechon dito sa Pilipinas mismo. At sa pinakalumang Ligia's Lechon in Metro Manila. Almost similar yan kagaya ng Max, ng aristocrat. So, sarap na sarap sila kumain. Tayo, tingin-tingin muna tayo para ma-enjoy nila yan. Ito ang aking kaibigan si Floyd na malapit ng ikasal. Wow. Tignan mo naman, artistahin yan. Like a celebrity. Yeah, I try to remember that the celebrity that you're almost similar, Floyd. There is a celebrity guy in Hollywood. I'm trying to remember it. He's like most of his movies action.
It's birds up. No, what is it?
Big hot chili.
Oh, chili, yeah. Oh, you try the chili one.
What you actually do it is, we put soy sauce in here.
Yeah, you have to put some.
And you squeeze the calamansi.
Exactly. Yeah,
So what you want to do with it,
yeah.
Not what I do.
You have to mix
take your soy
chili
sauce
and calamansi and then this
soy sauce
sauce.
in there,
Yeah, yeah,
and you mash up the chilies.
yeah. That's Floyd how to do it. You know, he knows everything about.
Mash them up, get a little heat in.
Yeah,
You want to
because here
calamansi's in there.
asawa teach how to mix the sauce. Okay. Enjoy. Kain tayo mga kaguragon, mga paps. Lechon dito sa Baclaran.
Lechon?
Yes, sir.
Lechon.
No, the gravy's good. But it's
You say in Tagalog, masarap.
masarap is delicious.
Matagal?
Masarap is delicious.
Masarap?
Masarap.
Masarap.
Masarap, delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Delicious, masarap. Yeah, natuto na sila ng Tagalog. In Bisaya, lami.
Lami.
Lami kaayo.
Yeah, lami. That is a lot for big.
Because Floyd
Which one you try?
Floyd wife speak Bisaya, so he said, lami kaayo. That's why the offer
Yeah.
different kinds of, sauce that you can choose. Which one is the best for you taste? Yeah.
I'm gonna say between those two. I don't know what this one is, but it's freaking.
So vinegar is one of the best for you.
Yeah.
It looks like caldereta, maybe.
Yeah.
Is it caldereta?
Yeah, color this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put that sauce on your rice.
Oh yeah, I know. I have.
Oh, I haven't tried the black one yet.
Oh, then it's going.
And it doesn't overpower the flavor of the other one. All of them are seasoned so uniquely that each one you could try after one after the other, and you still taste the full flavor of it.
So can you recommend this restaurant to
Everybody,
everybody?
everybody,
And including-
everybody should. This would be a bucket list place.
Yeah. This is Lydia's Lechon in Baclaran, Parañaque.
This is the best food I've ever had. And I've ate food from all over the world. I've ate all over the world.
You say, kain na po tayo. Kain na po tayo.
What? I
Tagalog.
don't think I can say that.
Kain na po.
Cayenne apple?
Yes! You can do it.
Oh. Man, I might think the vinegar is my thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some people for vinegar. Now you can mix the vinegar and soy sauce. together.
So-
I've done that too. I like it mixed.
Say,
It's a different kind of vinegar.
It's a spice vinegar.
That's why.
You buy it in the store, it's spice vinegar. It's got the stuff in the bottom of it. It's spice it up. You shake the bottle up and you put it, pour it in. It's not your regular vinegar, and it's also a spice vinegar.
I'm going to gain weight here.
Brandon,
Yes.
say hi to Regina.
Hi.
See you soon.
Hello. See you soon. I got bone in my mouth.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh. This is absolutely insane. You didn't talk something up.
I said it was good.
You said it was good, not life changing.
Kumakain
This
kami
just
dito
ruined all food.
Sama ng aking kaibigan. Ng lechon, dinuguan. Pork sisig, ano ba? Caldereta. So, dinuguan. What else? Masarap. Barbecue.
What about that pork skewer? Fine.
Yeah.
So, sarap masarap. Inalam na po ng may gini Brandon yung masarap na lechon.
Right. Every time you eat chicken,
Yeah.
it's like the first bite. Like, it doesn't get old. It tastes like the first bite every time.
So, papalik ako dito. Araw-araw hanggang bumalik na US.
I need more rice. I'll get a scooter. I'll get a scooter in the mall.
That's it. I-enjoy po namin siyempre. Masarap yung pintuhan namin habang kumakain. Naninanamnan namin yung lasa ng mga pagkain dito. So, mga paps, mga Uragon, try nyo po. Lidyas Lechon sa Baclaran. Kahit anong nationality mo, kumakain ka ng Pilipino po, masarap po talaga. Napakasarap kumain dito. Recommendable sa lahat ng mga nationalities. Filipino, the best restaurant. And Baclaran area, Parañaque. So, try nyo. Try nyo rin.
40 minutes. Oh yeah. That's it.
That's the first vinegar in there.
That's 5 minutes. Oh,
I didn't wait it first.
I didn't wait this time.
You need to try that.
So, hanggang dito na muna mga paps, mga kaguragon. So, tapos na kami mag-lunch. Pabalik kami sa hotel na kung saan sila mag-stay. Dahil video, kailangan daw mag-later para mag-check-in na sila. So, diretso na kami dito, kumain na at nagutom na. So, that's it mga paps. Until next, Noel Kaguragon, my friend, Brandon, and Floyd. And he's soon to be getting married in Sindagan and Dipolo. Congratulations! Yeah, and one of his best friends will be the witness for his wedding. Yeah, so hopefully everything will be fine and enjoy the wedding. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, bro. Peace out. God bless. Dito kami ngayon sa Lidyas Lechon. Kasama ko ang aking kaibigan na si Brandon saka si si Floyd dahil titingnan namin ang actual na paggawa ng lechon. Grabe, ayan o. So,
Bukas ang sulit.
Brandon, what can you say about this, Brandon? This is the real one.
Oh man.
So, Sir Floyd did this first before, right? In Sindagan. Yeah, so, kadami. Sa December, ma'am, grabe na ito, ma'am, ano? Mga, sa isang araw, ma'am, ilan ang nailuluto nyo dito?
Pag December, sir, depende dito.
Ah.
Pero normally 200.
Wow! Imagine, 400. Yan. Grabe nakain itong kasama ko.
Talaga.
Ito, first time kasi dito.
Saan po sila, sir?
Dito sila naka-check-in sa, galing kami sa Makati Palace Hotel and then lumipat kami dito sa Golden Phoenix. So, yan. Ma'am, pwede ko bang tingnan sa dito? Para may promote pa natin sa ating mga... So, ito na yung, guys, so, mga kaguragon, ito yung actual na pagluto ng lechon. Dito yan mismo sa Lidyas Lechon sa Baclaran. Imagine. Kuya, ilan taon ka na kuya dito? Live ka kuya sa YouTube channel. Ha? Bago. Ito mga kasama niya. Ayan. So mga ilang oras to niluluto, mga bro?
Ano po sir? May 3 oras niya. 4 oras. Depende
Ah.
sa kalahati.
Ay, ganoon.
So,
So,
depende sa maliit, malaki. Depende sa nililitson.
ganoon. Depende sa laki pala yan. So, kaya nito, malaki itong isang to.
Ano yan? 3 oras.
3 oras yan. So, grabe. Pag sabay-sabay yan,
Ay lang po sir.
puno. Ilang lechon yan, sir? Pag sabay-sabay?
20.
20. Wait, yung kaibigan kong mga tuwan-tuwa eh. Ang daming nakain. So, maraming salamat sa inyo mga bro. Panoorin nyo to sa Kaguragon TV. Kaguragon TV, Bicolano. Sige, maraming salamat. So, yan. So, you will make this in Sindagan. So, masarap ito. This one is Billy. Billy Lechon.
What they did, sharing copy.
Ayan. Ay, ito na yung i-deliver na lang, oh. Pinatanggalan ng...
Or we have an order, so we are
Really? Wow. The big casino. Right there. So,
100. By use.
so, nakita na natin mga paps. Maraming salamat at pinagbigyan tayo makita ang actual na paglitsyon dito ng maramihan. Pero hindi pa daw ito yung peak season dahil December. Pero bukas, may order daw ang Soler ng 25 lechon ay dideliver nila sa gabi. So, grabe. Talagang very in demand ang Lidyas lechon. Isa sa mga antigong lechonan dito sa Baclaran.
Yeah.
I've got the electric motor and a verbal drive,
But it's more delicious on the charcoal, sir. On the charcoal.
video charcoal.
Yeah. It's coconut and spice. Coconut charcoal.
I don't think we can keep up with this.
Yeah, that's the problem.
So right, thank you so much. Mabalos, maraming salamat. Kaguragon.
Bicolano ka, sir?
Iyo po, iyo po.
Also Bicolana.
Oh, wow. The manager here is also from Bicol. Saan po kami sa Bicol, ma'am?
Nagasili, sir.
Ayan, Jesus Maria.
Sos, Mario, sir.
Mga Bicolanong Uragon, Taganaga.
Yung gayo po.
Ang ina ko, sa likod siya nakang Kulay de Santa Isabel.
Alright, yun lang.
Karaniyon siya na. Oh. Yes, mabalos sa Endogabos, mga tugang. Ang tuyong manager di sa Lidyas Lechon ay Taganaga man. Yan. Magayunon pati. Yan. Mabalos.
po.
Mabalos. Bye-bye.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you.